Hi everyone. In the last class, we have seen the value of the game using graphical method. In the previous classes, we have seen the value of the game using dominance property. But in this class, we are going to see both method in the single problem. The problem will be like this. Using dominance property, find the value of the game. So for here, the dominance property is not applicable means we have to come with the graphical method. For this example, using dominance property, find the value of the game. Here they are given 4 by 4 matrix. So for this, as usual, you have to come with row minimum value and column maximum value. Here the first row the minimum value is 4. Second row the minimum value is 2. Third row minimum value is 3. Fourth row the minimum value is 2. Similarly for the column wise, for the first column the maximum value is 18. For the second column the maximum value is 6. For the third column the maximum value is 17. For the fourth column the maximum value is 7. So now we have to come with maximum of row minimum value. Maximum of 4, 2, 3, 2 is 4. And minimum of column maximum value. Minimum of 18, 6, 17, 7 is 6. So here max mini is not equal to minimax. Therefore there is no saddle point. We have to come with mixed strategy formula. But the formula is applicable only the matrix is 2 by 2. So now we have to reduce the given 4 by 4 matrix to 2 by 2 matrix. Here now we have to come with the dominance property. So come here. So using dominance property only we have to solve this. After we can't reduce to 2 by 2 matrix means we have to come with the graphical method. So the first one, we have to minimize first row. So we have to put the first would be column. So here we have to take row wise means we can't eliminate. That's why we are going for the column wise. So first column element are 18, 6, 11, 7. Here there are remaining 3 columns. So we have to put 3 columns. 18, 6, 11, 7 will be in the left hand side. So column wise we have to put greater than or equal to symbol. So now we have to write 3 column elements 4, 2, 5, 6, 6, 13, 17, 12, 4, 7, 3, 2. For here the first itself it will be satisfied because 18 is greater than or equal to 4, 6 is greater than or equal to 2, 11 is greater than or equal to 5, 7 is greater than or equal to 6. So first column is dominating the second column. So first column element will be removed. Now the reduced matrix is 4, 6, 4, 2, 13, 7, 5, 17, 3, 6, 12, 2. Now we have to come with second column, that is again from this reduced matrix we have to come with the first column. First column element is 4, 2, 5, 6. The remainings are 2 columns, so you have to put 2 columns. Column wise means greater than or equal to symbol. The next thing is 6, 13, 17, 12. The next value will be 4, 7, 3, 2. So for here the first will be cancelled because 4 is not equal to 6, therefore this condition is not satisfied. Similarly for the second one is also 2 is not greater than or equal to 7, so this condition is not satisfied. Now we have to come with the second column. So second column elements are 6, 13, 17, 12. So you have to write in the left hand side. That will be greater than or equal to the first column element as well as third column element. So here the first column element will be satisfied. 6 is greater than or equal to 4. 13 is greater than or equal to 2. 17 is greater than or equal to 5. 12 is greater than or equal to 6. So here the second column is dominating the first column. So we have to reduce the second column element. Now the reduced matrix is 4, 4, 2, 7, 5, 3, 6, 2. So in the next one, the dominance property is failed. So we have to use in the graphical method. Why it will be failed means we have to come with the first row. First row element is 4, 4. So the remaining 3 rows we having. So you have to write less than or equal to form because here we are going for dominating the row values. So put less than or equal to value. The remaining row values are 2, 7, 5, 3, 6, 2. So these conditions are not satisfied. So first row we have to omit. Next we have to come with the second row. For the second row element is 2 and 7. So first row element is 4 and 4. Third and fourth row element is 5, 3 and 6, 2. For here is also the condition is not satisfied. You have to come with the third row. For third row element is 5, 3. That will be less than or equal to 4, 4, 2, 7, 6, 2. That is condition is also not satisfied. Finally, we have to come with the fourth row. Fourth row is also 6, 2. So less than or equal to first row element is 4, 4. Second row element is 2, 7. Third row element is 5, 3. So here is also the condition is not satisfied. So here we can't reduce the row value. Like this problem we have means we have to come with the graphical method because here we have 4 rows and 2 columns. So 4 by 2 matrix. So here the graphical method is applicable. So as usual you have to come with the graphical method. So here the reduced matrix the reduced matrix is 4, 4, 2, 7, 5, 3, 6, 2. So you have to draw 2 vertical lines. The 2 vertical lines you have to put them values 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 because there is no negative value, so it will be okay. So the first row row value is 4 and 4. So here you have to mark 4. Here is also the left hand side we have to mark 4 and right hand side is you have to mark 4. So you have to join these 2 points means that will be the straight line. The next row value will be 2 and 7. So for the left hand side you have to mark it as 2. For the right hand side you have to mark it as 7. So you have to join these 2 by a straight line. Third row element is 5 and 3. So you have to mark it as 5 will be in the left hand side, 3 will be in the right hand side. So you have to join these 2 points. The last row element is 6 and 2. So 6 will be in the left hand side value, 2 will be in the right hand side value. For this also you have to join 6 and 2. So here this will be in the form of m by 2 matrix. M by 2 matrix means the upper boundary values. In the upper boundary we have to come with the lowest point. Here the upper boundary we have only one intersection point, so no problem. Here that is the one point, you have to take that point. That point will be the intersection lines are 6 and 2 and 2 and 7. So by using the graph, the lowest point of the highest boundary is 2, 7, 6, 2. That means second row as well as fourth row. So this will be your reduced matrix. Now we have to apply the mixed strategy formula. So A11 value will be 2, A12 value will be 7, A21 is equal to 6, A22 is equal to 2. So lambda is equal to A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. So 2 plus 2 minus of 7 plus 6. So 4 minus 13, that is equal to minus 9. So lambda value will be minus 9. Now we have to calculate the value of P1. P1 is equal to A22 minus A21 divided by lambda. That is equal to 2 minus 6 divided by minus 6. That is equal to minus 4 divided by minus 9. That is equal to 4 by 9. So P1 is equal to 4 by 9. The next is P2 is equal to 1 minus P1. So that is equal to 1 minus 4 by 9. So 9 is your LCM means 9 minus 4 by 9, that is equal to 5 by 9. So P2 value will be 5 by 9. Q1 is equal to A22 minus A12 divided by lambda. So substituting the values 2 minus 7 divided by minus 9. That is equal to minus 5 by minus 9. That is equal to 5 by 9. So Q1 is 5 by 9. So Q2 will be calculated by using Q1 value. So 1 minus Q1, 1 minus 5 by 9. So 9 is your LCM means 9 minus 5 divided by 9. Therefore 4 by 9 is your Q2 value. Finally, we have to come with the value of the game. Value of the game is equal to a11 a22 minus a12 a21 divided by lambda. So 2 into 2 minus of 7 into 6 divided by minus 9. So 4 minus 42 divided by minus 9. So 38 minus 9 is your value of the game. I hope the dominance property is also clear. Game theory is also over. So unit 4 is completed. In this section, we are seeing only the find the value of the game. So the first one is with saddle point. The second one is without saddle point. Without saddle point means we have to come with the mixed strategy formula. In this mixed strategy formula, we have to applicable only in 2 by 2 matrix. Suppose the matrix will be more than 2 by 2 matrix means we have to use the dominance property. Suppose the matrix is given like this m by 2 or 2 by n means we have to come with the graphical method. That's all. So this is also very easiest one. From this unit we have 2 mark questions, 5 mark question, 10 mark question. 5 mark is belongs to sequencing means 10 mark is surely belongs to game theory. Otherwise 5 mark is belongs to game theory means 10 mark is belongs to sequencing. So in the next class you have assessment in game theory. So prepare well. If you have any doubts, ask me. Thank you.